do I have? I have 11 pieces. Big pieces. Big chunk of pieces. I have 11. Not 11 tattoos. I don't usually get that question, eh? Ngoba wavelile ama-tattoo. Oh, the profile. Kodwa lo mdlume. Most of people, more especially amaZulu, abawathandi nje ama-tattoo. More especially umuntu ongumama. Hi Lindo. Hi. Wazongibiza mnandi bo. Guys, mina ngumuntu obhorayo ne, so if you don't come with topics ngivele ngingazi ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngani. So you are allowed to